This is going to be a video tutorial on how to hide your phone number on the Signal app. I will be using an iPhone for this. Let me jump over to my phone here. I have my phone opened up now and I am on the Signal app. To hide your phone number on Signal, the first thing you want to do is open up Settings. I'm going to go off to the upper left-hand corner up to my little profile icon. I'm going to tap on that. Then I'm going to tap on Settings. Now under the settings, you want to scroll down a little ways, down to where you see it says Privacy. Tap on Privacy. And then right up top here, it says Phone Number. It says choose who can see your phone number and who can contact you on Signal with it. Tap on Phone Number. Who can see my phone number? Everybody or nobody? You could see I have a check mark next to nobody. That's the one that I have selected. Underneath that, it says your phone number will not be visible to anyone unless they have it saved to their phone. Down below that, who can find me by my number? Everybody or nobody? But that is how to hide your phone number on Signal. Thanks for watching.